Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I will tell you that how to get your Telegram profile link. So first of all you need to open a Telegram application on your Android and iOS device. So the first option is tap on the three lines at the top left, then go to invite friend here, then tap on share Telegram, and then you will just copy this link here and just go to WhatsApp or wherever you want to share your profile link with. And the second option is go back and tap on three line at the top left again and tap on profile section again, and here you can see this QR option. Just tap on this one, and here it says share. You wanted to share it through WhatsApp, just tap on WhatsApp here and then share it with that specific person that you want to share. So guys, if you find this video useful, kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next video.